Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate Packet Tracer Activity 3.5.4, the planning and building an enterprise network. I've gotten ahead with stage 1, or step 1, and I've already laid out the Ethernet cable. So we're using like crossover going from these switches to the router, and then patch cable going from the switches to the PCs. The objective for this is to plan, design, and build a large enterprise network utilizing multiple VLANs, inter-VLAN routings, and BTP domains. So we've got an extensive amount of work to do, so we're going to get started ahead. So first step, we're going to log into the router, get into CLI. So I'm having some technical difficulties. So we'll go to CLI, we'll run enable, and I'm still having some issues, so I'm sorry about this. Just fix this up. Okay, so we're going to continue this. I'm sorry about this little wait. Okay, so enable. Then we're gonna, I want to do a show run. I just want to see what's going on right now. Okay, so we're on the router. You know, let's change just the host name. Set up the host name, router, ISR underscore RTR. Hardy har har. So, okay, so ISR. Now we're going to enable the password. And it's going to be Cisco 123. Okay, and then line VTY, so, and then our VTY password. Oh, again as myself, 0 space 4, password class. Password is class. Okay, and then I'll probably have to set up all the rest of it to like floor 1 switch. Let me see. A little bit more. Let me see. For Cisco. Yeah, there's a little bit more on this. And then password class. Okay, so do run. I'll just keep I'll just do a do run. So everything's saved. We'll try something. services. We'll go to floor 1. And then we're just going to do the same thing over and over. Might get a little repetitive, but it happens. Enable configuration T, host name, and we're going to call this host name, I think it's floor 1. Another issue with my computer. I just have a lot of resources being tied up right now, especially copying and doing this packet tracer, so everybody can thank Dustin Mason. I don't have his phone number by chance, but he's making my computer run for its money right now. So let's get back to floor 1, host name, floor 1 underscore SW. Let's see how that's working online. So we'll go right here. Or SW. So from here, from the floor, SW, we're going to enable the password. Cisco 123. And then we're going to go to the console password. Line, I think it's 04. 04 password, oh, line BTY password last line 0 password class. Okay, so we should just checking everything out. Looks like I'm missing something. So we got that. Enable the password class line 0. Now on floor 3 and floor 2, I'm just going to do the same thing as I did for floor 1 and the router. So I'm just going to set that up for just a moment and we'll get that going. Okay, so I was able to set everything up. I actually had to add the login line, so that was something else I didn't do, but I was able to do that to all the other switches. So the next thing we need to do is from the floor 3, since this is like the last one that we've actually configured, I don't want to just go all the way back down. So, go interface gig. Oh. We want to go to config. We just want to go to, it's just like an interface with a fast Ethernet, but it's just the gig is 1-1 or 1/1, so we're right right in there. So once we get this, we're gonna type in switch. We're gonna do the switch port access again, just like with the VLANs and everything. So we'll just I'll set that up, and we'll do the switch port access, and then keep on going from there. So switch port mode access. Switch port mode access. Switch port. So we're going to go from switch port access, and then we should think how reading this. I just want to make sure we're on the right access, so I'm just reading right here. So switch port mode access. What interface are we on? One. Mode. Let me see. Do we need to go to trunk, or I'm checking this out? So we'll go to switch port mode access trunk. Let's see if we can get that going. And then let's try switch port mode access to trunk again. Switchboard access. It's switchboard mode. Trunk. Okay, so from there we should add everything up, and then the link should be going up, and I just want to check that. Okay, so we've already set all the trunks for the floor 1, 2, and 3. Now what we need to do is set the interface for the floor 1 switch configured with the ISR router as a trunk port. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to floor 1. Go to interface, which we're already in there. Oh. Interface FA0/1. Oh, I had a little problem right there. Oh, looks like I did want to be in switch port mode trunk. So INT /1. So from there we're going to go to interface. Oh, what is going on here? It's W. So what we want to do, so maybe to set that up. So we'll just...
Avast virus database has been updated.
And my Android virus program just told me everything's good, so switch port mode trunk. So it's up, which is good. Okay, so from here we're going to go to the ISR. So we got the Gigabyte Ethernet going up. So on the C, we'll just enable the interface of the ISR. So we'll just click this, C. So we're on the ISR, the router. We're going to enable this will be fairly easy. All we have to do is, okay, we got no shot, so I just want to double check some stuff right here. So we'll go to the interface 0/0 and then put a no shut on there. Oh. We want to do 0/0. Then no shut. No. Okay, and so everything should be good. Okay, so everything is running perfect. So from here we're going to go from the router to let's see, I just want to make sure we're doing everything right. So from here we need to add the .1Q encapsulation. So I've already got into the INTFA 0/0.20, and then we'll do switch port trunk switch port. I just want to be sure. So it's not the trunk. I was looking on that. It should be the encapsulation. So encapsulation dot LQ20. Encapsulation encaps. Maybe it's 1. No. Oh, I see what I'm doing. key in. I gotta learn how to spell. Okay, so from there, I was wondering what. So we're just gonna add an IP address. So the 192.168.20.1 space 255.255.255.0. So FA, so let's go to another FA 0/0.25. Oh, INT. Okay, perfect. So in caps and dot LQ25. There we go. The L's and 1s always look pretty similar. So we got out there, we're getting the encapsulation, and then we're just going to do more of the, see if I can actually get a .25. Okay, that speeds everything up. And then so we just got to go IP address. And then from here, interface, we're just getting all the interface. 0/0.20, and then we'll just go to, see if I can incap 30, and then we'll just IP address 30.